Hi guys. I don't know why I did this to myself. So I just got home from work. But look what we have. We have an Ipsy package. I haven't unboxed my Ipsy packages on here in forever. Listen, you see why I need my knife? This damn scissors ain't working. Oh, that's because, oh no, scissors isn't working. Ah. Jesus, man. So what I selected is the Tarte Man Eater palette. Ooh, that's nice. This is nice. I can see myself in here, period. Man Eater it is. Love it. Okay, yes, honey. Yes. Do y'all see this palette? Do y'all see this? The colors, bro. This is gorgeous. Love it. And the black in this is black. She's black. Ooh, I can see a look of this. This is gorgeous. Definitely gonna use this to do a look. Definitely. Like getting these makeup palettes, you know, and finding time to do these makeup looks is a lot. It's really a lot. So then I got the Too Faced Better. What is? Okay. These two are glued together, as you can see. But this is the Too Faced Better Than Sex Foreplay Mascara Prep. It fell out in the box. Like, who's excited for Bridgerton? Because I know I am. This is the applicator. It looks as if it has a little bit of fibers on it. Cute, love it. Because I actually have a Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara already. Then I got some brushes. These are from Be Your Own Desire. All right, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 brushes in here. I'm really trying to not make this video too long. You know, but I love to get eyeshadow brushes from Ipsy. Like, I feel like Ipsy brushes are the best brushes, in my opinion. Like, the brushes that they advertise on it is very nice. Oh, almost dropped one. So we have, oh, this is beautiful. We have a flat one here. Then we have a little round one for you to get more in the tear duct of your eyes, or you want to be precise with your blending. Then we have a blending brush with a bit more of a rounder tip. We have a mini packing brush. Focus. A mini packing brush. And then we have a regular blending brush. Feels nice. We'll see how she works. But this is more eyeshadow brushes going into my stash. Yay! And more brushes for me to clean. Yay! Then I selected these Beauty Blender sponge. So this is the Sponge Duo by Beauty Vault. Love any makeup sponge that comes from Ipsy. They're always nice and squishy. They inflate beautifully. Then I also got, I don't know why I get this. I got the Fenty Beauty Eye Brightener. I wonder if this is what I'm thinking. Nope. Wait, yes. Yeah. So I got this one in honey mustard. The other one that I have already is in almond butter. Right, so this is almond butter, honey mustard. And then I got another Miss Vanessa Myricks. What is this? Dewy Balm highlighter. I have one of her other highlighters. I like it. It's cute. But it's more of like an ashy pink. How did you just open? I'm trying to hurry up so I can go sit down, bathe, and sit down and watch Bridgerton. Okay, so I got this. Oh, thumb is stuck. So I got this one because this is more of a golder shade. Yes, it is right here. All right, so this one here is rose water, and then this one here is hot water. So this is hot water, and this is rose water. Rose water, hot water, period. Now I have two. Love them both. And I think that's all, guys. But I hope you have a blessed day and an amazing afternoon. Love you guys. Bye.